MEP quantity survey is most familiarized one of the system is HVAC system. So during the HVAC system quantity takeoff time, we count many type of the dampers. Here you can see the types of dampers that used in the HVAC system. Especially we count the fire dampers, some particular areas. So here we are going to discuss some technical points regarding the fire dampers. Hopefully you will get some technical ideas from this session, and also you can implement this knowledge in your real-time work. This drawing we use in our MEP quantity surveying practice. If you want more details regarding our MEP quantity surveying in full course, just visit our website managingqs.com and explore more. So you can see here first the legend. Before we start the quantity takeoff, we have to fully understand the legend. There is a lot of components involved in the HVAC system. The important thing is we are discussing now with the fire dampers. So the fire dampers notify like the blue color icon. Before analyze these fire dampers in the drawing, we have to know the main function of this fire damper. Actually, the main function is to prevent spread the fire and smoke through the ductwork inside the building. If any fire occur inside the duct, the dampers automatically close. So this is the main function. Alright guys, so now I am going to show some specific places. So just look out first. So this one is one of high-rise building residential project drawing. So this is 5th floor of this residential apartment. Now you can see here there is a fire dampers. The FD mean fire dampers. Same like this we can find out here also. You can see the FD fire dampers, right? Here also we can find out FD. So I can easily find out the exact place which the fire dampers can fixed. So here one technical information should you know. Once you know this information, you can also easily find out the fire dampers from the drawings. Alright, so you can see here there's a shaft. Okay. So inside the shaft, we can find out the two different ducts. So these are the main supply and return air duct. Most of the project, the air handling unit, we fix top of the building. So the main supply and return ducts, it's coming from top to bottom of the building inside the shaft. At this time, if you want to connect any branches with the main supply and air duct through the wall, at the point we have to fix the fire dampers. Here there are two scenarios. The scenario one is if any fire occur inside the building or inside the floor, the fire will be stopped from this point because we fix the fire dampers here. The scenario 2 is just imagine we are not going to fix any fire dampers from this point. What will happen? So the fire will automatically it's going to the main supply duct. So this fire will easily spread entire building. So technically the fire dampers fix in this point. Alright, so now I am going to show the entire drawing shaft. You can get some more idea. You can see here there's a shaft. So shaft mean you can see there's a dotted line. They mention as a shaft. Inside the shaft there's a duct, so the branches ducts also connect with the main. At this point you can find out the fire dampers here. Same like this, I will show one by one. You can see here there's another shaft, fire dampers. Okay, there's another shaft also, there's a fire damper. So this is a technical idea before we start the quantity takeoff. I'm going to tell one scenario here. We are the technical MEP quantity surveyors. Okay, sometimes the draftsmen forgot to fix these fire dampers during the design stages. Then this drawing package comes to your hand in the tender stage. So during your quantity takeoff time, you notice they forgot to put the fire dampers in this point. As a technical MEP quantity surveyor, you should take off this missed fire damper quantity. Actually, we know where we can fix the fire dampers. So if the drawing not mentioned, we should take the quantity because we know very well technically. Alright guys, so apart from this shaft, there are some other places also we can identify the fire dampers. Let's say if any duct crossing one room to another room through the wall, the important terminology is the wall. So at the mid of the wall we have to fix the fire dampers. So this is another very important concept. So you can see here duct crossing one room to another room through the wall. At the midpoint we have to consider the fire damper. Like this, there are a lot of important technical points you should know to become a technical MEP quantity surveyor. So recently we launched a full MEP quantity surveying practice course. In this course include electrical distribution, electrical cable measurement, lighting system, small power, CCTV, firefighting system, fire alarm and voice evacuation, drainage system, chill water supply, plumbing system, HVAC system, data and telecommunication, conveying system, access control, public address. So there is a 15 system we discussed through this MEP quantity surveying course. Link on my profile, check it out.